Okay.
Do you have a box?
Yeah, right here.
Okay, bring it in. Wow! What do you think you got? Put it on the table. Can you open it?
Yeah. Hey, it's for me. A minute.
If you can get it open. Pull hard, I bet you can get it. Wonder, what do you think it is? What do you think's in that box, Landon?
I can't get it.
What do you think's in there?
I don't know.
Guess. What do you think it is?
I don't know.
Tell me what you think's in that box.
I don't know.
Tell me one time. What do you think it is?
I don't know.
Okay, open it up and see.
I got a big helicopter.
What is it?
A big helicopter.
The one you've been wanting?
Yeah.
Wow, you better get it out of that box.
I can't get out of it.
I bet you can if you try hard enough. Wow.
Whoa.
That the one you want?
A meter.
Has it got Mater inside?
Yeah.
Wow.
There.
Wow.
I just wanted it.
You did want that?
Open.
You want me to get it out of the box?
Yeah, you need to change out.
Okay, what do you say to Daddy for the helicopter?
Change out.
Tell him you love him.
I do.
Okay. Say bye, Daddy.
Bye, Daddy.